Hi guys, it's me Raymond here again with my redesigns, and we're gonna start off with the Space Cowboy. I am really proud of this one. I think it's a really good improvement of my other one with, let's see, here it is, the first one. Isn't it a terrible, ugly painting? Just terrible. Right, Kitty? Yeah, she agrees. And to compare and contrast, it's just really, really awesome. Just better. You can see the landscape depth a little more than this one. I don't know what, it's got some depth, but it looks like a 2D cutout. See how it like cuts off? Like a little cutout. With this one, like it just like zooms, you know, down from over there, and it just looks, like you're actually there, like the guy actually fits in, and he's actually there, rather than the other one. And then let's see, let's go to the spider bat. And with that one, this is a speed paint of, for the more of a exercise that we were doing. We were exercising our creativity of mixing animals, like a hybrid. We were doing hybrids, and I was mixing a bat with a spider. And I don't know, I could have done better with this one. This was just a fast speed paint. I was, had a, do a time crunch, and I don't know. I don't know. I just could have done better. But here's the first one that I did. This one, terrible, Kitty. Yeah, terrible, flat. The colors are just ugly, and but at least with this one is redesigned, it has a little more depth to it. You can, I don't know, feel it kind of coming towards at you. And yeah, pretty much better. Then we got the caustics redesign. We were studying light. I remember that one, and we were studying how light works underwater, and that's the name for it, the caustics. And here's the one I did for the first one. Ooh, ugly, ugly, ugly. Not only ugly, it's unrealistic. We had a student, I don't know why I forgot his name. Steven? Not Steven. But whatever his name is, he said like the Navy SEALs with their suits, it wouldn't show that caustics reflection here. Because, it's stealth suits, they're not supposed to reflect anything. And so I just, revamp here. I just did like an underwater scene with ancient tombs over here with sharks. I mostly put the caustics here on the sharks. You can see it better at least. I try to show it more over here. If I, try to brighten it, I don't know, it would have looked a little unrealistic. But at least it showed on the sharks. This is also speed paint too. That didn't take much time, but it is better than this one. Like this one took what? I don't know, 8 hours, and this is like an hour and 30 minutes. A huge, how you say, improvement of my the way I work. And overall time. And here, this was our first assignment, which was archetypes. And man, oh man, I really like this one. You know, this is now one of my favorite paintings, and wow, it is a huge improvement over the very first assignment that we did in digital arts, and just take a look at it. Oh, ugly. Terrible. Just absolutely terrible. I can't believe I was, so proud of it. I don't know. I don't know what I saw in it back then. But now that I see it now, oh my god. Just the worst, But here now, I've, really worked on it. I worked on a background, which is, pretty more simplified, not too flashy, like the other one I was doing. Some little lights over here that are not so overpowering, like, like this over here. And man, I have a real grasp of, metal and how to work in cloth as well. And, just overall form too. He's a little stiff, that's the only thing I can do to improve here. He looks a little stiff, but other than that, with the rendering, he looks fantastic. And let's see, we're at the 7-minute mark. I can show you very fast on how I work with this kind of stuff. So let me just break it down. Boop, 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 boop. And there you go. This is how I work. I just use like a basic sketch. Trying to find its overall shape. What I like. Just very, very simple stuff. Then I just put some shadow shapes and work on excuse me, with the the background. Oh, here we go. And just putting a little more detail. I'm trying to get a real grasp at it. That makes me go, yes, there we go. Now let's get onto it. Put some color, some little more rendering, fixing the light, adding some details, more details, fixing its shadows. What's this one? Oh yeah, highlights, some more details, lighting, and then boom, that's how I do it. And yeah. Alright guys, yeah, let me know what you think of my redesigns. And so, yeah, alright, bye.